What's up, y'all? Wanted to do a video of the newest ride added to the collection. Is a old International R110. Super rad. Got it from a dude that got it free with the house, and he didn't really know what it was or what it was worth, or wasn't a car guy, didn't really care for it. So got it for a really good price. And the guy before him is the one that did a full restoration on it. And it's just small things that need to be finished up, right? But it is running, driving, which is super rad. Long bed with a hydraulic lifting bed. That works, which is super dope. I think there's like 46,000 miles on the odometer. But super clean. You know, definitely have some things in the works for this. I'm not going to butcher this. It's going to stay exactly like this, wheels, tires, all. It's just, essentially, what I want to do is to add, sorry, my shop compressor's running. I want to add wood into the bed instead of this monster liner crap. I think that would really kind of take it to the next level. And then the side steps, there's a potential I might just scrape off all of that monster liner and potentially do either a wood finish on top of that, or do something that's going to be like a Cerakoted metal. So basically scrape all of that clean, shine it down, and then do a Cerakote black. Because obviously I want to go for the matte black. I just really hate monster liner. It looks like crap. Even like the black powder coated bumper would look better doing the steps in that. But super rad. So it has the Diamond 220 into it. Super clean truck. Two-wheel drive. Could use a new seat. That's one of the plans as well. And then I would like to get this redone and then do some stitching. Some cool sort of stitching into it, and actually have this be like a leather finish instead of, you know, the cardboard. But in the same color as everything, so it matches. But previous guy did a super good job on it. Clean. That's why I like these old trucks, is because there's no bullshit. This is your truck. This is what you get. Super rad. If you guys have any experience, thoughts, questions, or anything on that, you know, post it down in the comments below. As you can kind of see, I'm getting into the older car stuff, so just kind of learning as I go. Every single day I'm watching Facebook Marketplace for things to pick up, and I just picked up another 67 International Travelall. Nowhere near this condition. That's going to be a start from scratch project, but that is the next one, and I'll do a video of that once I get it cleaned up this weekend and get all the garbage out of it. But yeah, y'all, this is it.